All right, so I have to show you this because in one of my last videos you saw that I was tearing apart pallets and I didn't look happy. Yeah, I wasn't happy because it was so much work. So I got this Vevor Pry Bar. I couldn't even tell you how much it cost. I don't even remember because I had this sitting in the shop for a few weeks now. Really sturdy construction, welded very, very well. You can see it's really nice and strong. And I'd say this thing weighs at least 20 pounds. I just did a little test on tearing up some pieces of pallet, tearing them out. And the first time I did it, I just tore a piece, just tore it to shreds. You can see this piece right here, just tore it up. And that's because I was doing it wrong. So I want to show you just a quick review. If you're working with pallets and you don't want to have a whole bunch of work, this is definitely a tool for you. Just pretty much slide it right underneath in the sections. And what I found is if you put weight on one side or both sides of it, you can really just get some leverage very easily. Don't need a whole lot. Just takes a couple seconds. Push this out to the very edge. Same thing, just put a little weight on it. You don't have to pry really, really hard. See how easy that came out? Go to the other side, same thing. Pushing it all the way to the very end where you're prying. And that's it. A piece comes right out for you. Then, besides that, I purchased along with this NUmax. It's a punch nailer. NUmax punch nailer. Because nobody likes to fight around with the nails once you've got it pallet apart. So check this out, how easy this works. It's got a hole right here. It hooks up to your compressor. This hole in the tip goes all the way down to the base of the nails. So it gets a really good grip. And you use compressed air to push the nail out. So I have a trash can underneath here. All you do is slide the head of this thing over the nail all the way down. Pull the trigger. Gone. Just like that. Again. Man, never had such quick work of disassembling a pallet. Just turn it around. That's it. So it's a quick review of the NUmax punch nailer and the Vevor. The Vevor, get the name exactly. It's the Vevor Pry Lever. Really great. You can buy from the Vevor website. I bought both of these things from Amazon. So thanks for visiting. Like and subscribe. See you again soon.